Number 4, we are trying to find the area of each figure. We have a trapezoid. And we know the height, but we don't know either of the bases. And the formula for the area of a trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. And all we have so far is the height. So we are a little bit stuck for now. Yes, good. This is a curious fact that they gave us that segment. Do you remember what that segment is called? The mid-segment. Very good. And we learned in our quadrilateral unit that the mid-segment is the average of the bases. You add them up and you divide by 2. That is the length of the mid-segment. So 14 is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. Who sees something familiar? OMG. Those match. They match. So instead of base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2, I can replace it with 14. So the area is 14. That's base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times 5. 14 times 5. Final answer. Sorry, times 10. You're right. Times 10. Woo, buddy. Yep. Very good. That's a 10. So you just add a 0 to it. 140 units squared. Number 9. Let's see. Number 9 is kind of an inverted or rather upside down trapezoid. I can fill that in. The reason I knew that that was 16 is I just simply translated that segment straight up. The reason I knew that other wing, I call them wings, was 2 is because it's an isosceles trapezoid. All right, so base 1 plus, okay, base 2, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, times the height, divided by 2. And that's all I'm going to say about that one. 11 is a really good one. It combines 30, 60, 90, and 45, 45, 90 all in one. Now, even though 11 is a hexagon, right, we haven't learned a formula for area of a hexagon, right? So we need to treat this as 2 trapezoids. So we're going to treat this as trapezoid 1 and trapezoid 2, and we'll just add them together. All right, trapezoid 1, base 1 plus base 2 times the height, is that okay if I just jump there, divided by 2. This is 5, and this is 5 root 3. All right, number 2. Base 1 plus base 2 times, let's see, this one we have to get a little bit creative here. If this is 10, 24, we've used up 10. So that's 14, and then we divide it by 2. 7, 7. 7, 7, 7 root 2. So the height is 7 divided by 2. One of those is going to have a radical. One of them is not going to have a radical, and we will just add them together. We won't be able to combine them at all. Number 19, Miss Gray pays 15 cents per square foot each month to lease the space in a shopping center. Each storefront is 50 feet wide. Find the monthly cost to lease store C. All right, store C is a trapezoid. What do you need? Base 1, base 2, and a height. We actually have all of those. Base 1, 70. Base 2, 100. Height, 50 divided by 2. When all is said and done, when you're done working on that, you're going to multiply it by 15 cents, 0.15.